Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and make the chocolate smoothie. And this is what I do every day for lunch. Again, it allows for me, it's amazing. It tastes great. It's very healthy. You know how some of those shakes, they taste chalky, or you have to hold your nose to drink this shake because if it doesn't taste bad, then it must not be healthy. Well, not with this. This is absolutely amazing. But more importantly, it tastes so good that a lot of my colleagues, they say, this cannot be healthy. And I tell you what, make me a smoothie because they taste great. And every time I drink one of your smoothies, they say I have energy all day long. So we're gonna start off with the chocolate smoothie. Now the chocolate smoothie, of course, is gonna get some ice. It's going to get, of course, some almond milk. It's going to get a small amount of Italian sweet cream. We're going to add in honey roasted peanut butter. Honey roasted peanut butter. Now I normally get this from the health food store, which is really, really good. I freshly make it at the health food store. But okay, so and then we're going to go ahead and add in the OGx chocolate powder, which of course that has the Ganoderma. So look up Ganoderma and you'll see why so many people are just obsessed with having these particular shakes. We're gonna give you a chunk of banana inside our shake, okay? And then now what we're gonna simply do is blend it. Let me just add a small amount of ice. We're gonna blend it, and believe it or not, lunch is ready to go. And by the way, this lunch only costs you $3. $3. Ready to go. So let's take a look at this particular. Oh wow, that looks amazing. Look at that. That's the chocolate smoothie with honey roasted almond, a slice of banana. Let's see. If you love chocolate, you'll love this. If you love honey roasted peanut butter, you're gonna absolutely love this. And what's amazing, you can make a 16-ounce cup, sell that cup for $7, make 3 or 4 of those a week for your friend, and you'll be amazed, or make 3 or 4 of those a day for just your friends, those that you know, like, and trust. You'll be amazed. $35, $40 a day. You times that by 5 days, you're looking at easy almost $300 a week on something that you're already doing already. That's my story, and that's what's happening for us. So I always talk to people about extra. You don't have to, open up your own restaurant. You don't have to hire employees. All you have to do is do something that you love to do, and you'll be amazed at what type of extra income is involved. And I tell you, after doing this for the past 5 years, it has accumulated into many customers, people that make the shake for themselves at home, and also people that continue to want me to make the smoothie for them by the cup. I love the product. I love the opportunity. And what it does, it fulfills that entrepreneurial spirit within me. I think you may have that entrepreneurial spirit also. So if you like what I've said, please feel free to ask as many questions that you would like to the person that invited you to be a part of this viewing of this call. We look forward to hearing from you real soon. And again, the OGx Phoenix, it not only tastes good, but it's very healthy for you. Have a great night. Have a great day. Look forward to seeing you next time. Bye-bye for now.